Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw your money from Charles Schwab Easy Guide. Log into Schwab, go to Transfers and Payments, pick Withdrawals, choose the account and destination, enter the amount, confirm via two-factor authentication, review details for holds or limits, and submit the transfer. Expect most linked bank transfers to complete in 1 to 3 business days, and contact Schwab support if you encounter errors. Decide whether ACH, wire, or check suits your needs, then follow the exact Schwab flow to withdraw funds. ACH is free and reliable, taking 1 to 3 business days, while a wire gets money same day but may cost more. A mailed check is slower but useful for records. Always confirm destination details, verify any transfer limits on your account, and note potential holds before submitting. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so we can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: Droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle. Check the description for the link and other deals. It pairs well with long finances sessions or waiting on a transfer. Thanks for the support and for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Always double-check destination account and routing numbers before confirming a withdrawal to avoid delays. If Schwab flags recent deposits, holds, or limits, you may see temporary restrictions. Review any messages in your account. Use secure messaging or call Schwab support if a transfer fails, and keep transaction receipts or screenshots for reference. Staying patient and prepared helps resolve most issues quickly and keeps your funds secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.